and welcome to week 2 of BFit's Fresh Focus Challenge. You're going to refer to this video to do your circuit this week, which is going to be composed of some strength exercise intermixed with your cardio workout outside. For this workout, you are going to want to use a park bench, or here we have a picnic table. So make sure wherever you're going to do your workout, you have something to use, because you're going to need to use a higher surface for some of these exercises. We're going to start with just squats to a bench. So the seat to this picnic table is about a foot off the ground. That's what you want to find, is something that's about foot and a half off the ground. Okay, again, just your basic squats. You're bringing that tushy to touch the bench. Okay, getting nice and low. Great quad workout here. Next up, you're going to do push-ups off the bench. So I'm going to take these a little lower, coming to the one that's about a foot off the ground. Chest to the bench. Okay, if you did want to make these more challenging, you could do decline push-ups where your toes are going to be on the bench and hands are going to be on the ground. Okay, you choose your intensity for those. Next up, you're going to have step-ups, just your basic step-up, step down and switch. If the alternating gets mixed up a little bit, just do all your reps on one side, and then after you finish those reps, switch to the other side, but you do want to make sure that you are nice and even with those. Going back, we're doing tricep dips. We did these last week in your first workout. Come off the bench, bend those elbows, and that's your tricep dip. Split squat. This one's a little bit more complicated. You're going to take one foot back onto that surface. Hop out a little bit with the other. Most important thing with this is making sure when you come down into your squat, this knee stays behind the toe. Okay, so you have to make sure you have a wide enough stance. If you have to take your stance a little bit closer, you're just not going to be able to drop down as far. Because if I'm here, I go down really far. As you can see, my knee's going to track over my toes. I don't want that. You can also use a lower surface if this is too high, or just do the split squat on the ground without taking it to that higher surface. Make sure you alternate sides. And then we're going to do hip abductions from the bench or higher surface, whatever you choose to use. Coming into a side plank position, you want to make sure this hip is lifted, taking the upper leg up and down for the number of reps we've assigned to you. Making sure then to switch sides. Those are your exercises for your second workout.